everyone, today I'm going to show you how I make a simple and cute little pumpkin. So I'm going to be using a size G6 crochet hook, a little pair of scissors, and 2 colors of yarn, whatever colors you want to make your pumpkin in. So I'm using a color called Carrot and a color called Green Tones. So I'm going to start out by making a magic circle. So we're going to drape the yarn over our fingers, wrap it around the back, crisscross it here, and wrap it around the back again. So you've got an X here and 2 lines here. Then I'm going to pass my hook under both stripes of yarn and hook this second one and pull it under. Then I'm going to go over and grab that yarn again and pull it through to lock my magic circle. And I'm going to pull my fingers out, and I've got this little circle that we're going to be working in. So I'm going to start by making a chain. So chain 1, and then single crochet into my magic circle. Now I'm going to do a half double crochet into that magic circle, and then 3 double crochets. Oops, my yarn split a little bit. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to do another half double crochet, and then I'm going to repeat that series that I just did. So another single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet 3 times. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3, and then half double crochet. Now I'm going to pull my magic circle closed most of the way, just close enough so that I can slip stitch into this first single crochet. And then I'm going to pull my magic circle the rest of the way closed. I find that's a little bit easier if I pull the magic circle all the way closed and then try to slip stitch. It's really, really tight to get in there, so it makes it a little easier. All right, so we've got round 1 of our pumpkin done, and now we're ready for row 2. So we're going to chain 1 and single crochet into that first space. I'm also going to be crocheting on top of my end yarn just to kind of secure it. I just kind of crochet on top of it around this whole row, and then I'll snip it off and weave it in at some point. So single crochet. In that next stitch, I'm going to do half double crochet and a double crochet. So there's our half double and a double. Oops. In the next stitch, I'll do 2 double crochets. 1, 2, and 2 double crochets in each of the next 2 stitches. So here's a 1 and a 2 in that one, and a 1 and a 2 in that one, and then I'm going to do a double crochet and a half double crochet in this next stitch. So there's a double and a half double crochet. In this next one, I'm going to do 1 little single crochet. Here we go, and now we're just going to kind of repeat that, starting with the half double crochet. So for round 2, half of our round is done. So in this next stitch, we do the half double crochet and double crochet both in that stitch. So here's our, here's our half double crochet and our double crochet. And then in the next 3, we're going to put 2 double crochets in each one. So there's a 1 and a 2. In the next one, a 1 and a 2. And in the next one, a 1 and a 2. Then in this last stitch, we're going to do the double crochet, then half double crochet. Oh, in this one. So here's our double crochet and half double crochet. Now I just need to slip stitch into our very first single crochet. There we go, and round 2 is done. You actually could stop here if you want just a cute little tiny pumpkin. But we're gonna add 1 more row. So chain 1, single crochet. In this next stitch, we're going to do half double crochet and a double crochet. There's our half double. There's our double. In the next one, we're going to do 2 double crochets. There's 1, there's 2. In the next one, just 1 double crochet. In the next one, 2 double crochets. 1, 2. Now in the next 2, we're just going to put 1 double crochet and 1 double crochet. So 1 double crochet in this one and 1 double crochet in the next one. Next one, we're going to do 2 double crochets. In the next one, 1 double crochet. And in the next one, 2 double crochets. So there's a 1 and a 2. And then in this one, we're going to do a double crochet and a half double crochet. So there's our double, and here's our half double crochet. And then we are halfway done with round 3. We're going to repeat this. So single crochet into that next little stitch. Next we do our half double crochet, then double crochet, half double, then double. In the next one, 2 double crochets, 1, 2. In the next one, 1 double crochet. In the next one, 2 double crochets, 1, 2. Now in the next 2, we're going to do 1 double crochet and 1 double crochet. So there's 1 for that one and 1 for this one. In the next one, we'll do 2 double crochets, 1 and 2. In the next one, 1 double crochet, and in the next one, 2 double crochets. And now in this very last stitch, we do our double crochet and half double crochet in it. So there's the double, and here's our half double, and then we just slip stitch into our very first single crochet. And there we go. Now we can pull our yarn out. And snip our yarn. And we can weave in these ends in a minute. Now we're going to flip our pumpkin over and see where our very middle single crochet is. See if you can find that, because that's where we're going to be attaching our green so that we can add a little stem to our pumpkin. So grabbing our green, I'm going to insert my hook into that single crochet and draw up just a little loop. I'm going to hold my yarn right here while I chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And now I'm going to do a double crochet still in that same little single crochet. So double crochet right here in the same place. And I'm crocheting over my end yarn to secure it. One double crochet. And then we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and slip stitch back into that same single crochet. So slip stitch right down in there. And now I can pull my yarn out because we are all finished there. And just snip that green yarn and pull it on through. And our little pumpkin is all finished. All we have to do is weave in our ends. And it is ready to embellish whatever you like.